Welcome to Mathorio. Let's learn math together. A pie chart, also called a circle graph, is a circular diagram divided into slices that show how a whole is divided into parts. Key features: the whole circle represents 100% or the total amount. Each slice represents a part of the whole. Larger slices mean larger amounts or percentages. All slices together always equal 100%. Pie charts help us see at a glance how different parts compare to each other and to the whole. Why does this matter? Pie charts are everywhere in daily life: news reports, election results, budget breakdowns, survey findings, business, market share, sales by region, expense category, school, class schedules, grade distributions, favorite subjects, surveys, health, food groups, and a balanced diet. Time spent on activities. Being able to read pie charts helps you quickly understand information and make better decisions based on data. Try this interactive visualization on Mathorio to explore the concept yourself. Pause the video and visit Mathorio.com to practice with our hands-on tools. Example 1. Reading favorite fruit survey. Let's look at: a class of 20 students voted on their favorite fruit. The pie chart shows apples 40%, oranges 30%, bananas 20%, grapes 10%. How many students chose apples? Step 1. Find the percentage for apples. The slice labeled apples shows 40%. This gives us 40%. Step 2. Convert percentage to a decimal. 40% equals 0.40. This gives us 40. Step 3. Multiply by the total. 20 times 0.40 equals 8. This gives us 8 students. The answer is 8 students chose apples as their favorite fruit. Example 2. Comparing slices. Let's look at: a pie chart shows time spent on activities: homework 25%, video games 35%, sports 15%, reading 25%. Which activity takes the most time? Which two activities combined equal the time spent on video games? Step 1. Identify the largest slice. Compare percentages: 25%, 35%, 15%, 25%. The largest is 35%. This gives us video games 35%. Step 2. Find two slices that add to 35%. 25% plus 10% equals 35%? No 10%. Try 15% plus 20%? No 20%. Try 25% plus 10%? Still no. This gives us check. Reading 25% plus sports 15% equals 40%. No match. Step 3. Try another combination. Sports 15% plus reading 25% equals 40%. Too much. Sports 15% plus homework 25% equals 40%. Too much. Actually, no two activities equal exactly 35%. This gives us no exact match exists. The answer is video games takes the most time at 35%. No two activities exactly equal 35%, but sports, 15%, comes closest when combined with part of another activity. Let's review the key points. First, a pie chart is a circle divided into slices that show parts of a whole. Second, all slices in a pie chart add up to 100%. Third, larger slices represent larger percentages or amounts. Point 4. To find the actual number, multiply the total by the percentage, as a decimal. Point 5. Pie charts are useful for comparing how different categories relate to each other. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more math lessons, and visit Mathorio.com to practice.